Welcome to Aeon Product Picks, your go-to spot for pro audio gear reviews, music production tips, and the latest in sound tech. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best audio interfaces in 2025. Whether you're recording vocals, instruments, podcasts, or streaming, these interfaces deliver clean sound, low latency, and reliable performance. From beginner-friendly models to pro-level interfaces, we've tested and selected the best options that combine top-tier audio quality with smart features and solid build quality. Control knobs, whether you're running a home studio or upgrading your mobile setup, this list will help you find the perfect interface for your workflow. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's jump into the best audio interfaces you can buy in 2025. Number 5. IK Multimedia AXEIO. The IK Multimedia AXEIO is a standout USB audio interface meticulously designed with guitarists in mind. Featuring a dedicated high-impedance guitar input with switches for passive/active pickups and dual preamp modes, pure for a clean signal and JFET for added warmth, the interface provides tonal flexibility that rivals standalone pedals. The innovative Z-Tone impedance knob allows you to shape your tone from bright to bold, delivering dynamic shading straight from the interface, a feature rare in this category. Add to this a built-in tuner, an amp out for seamless reamping, and bundled Amplitude 5 SE with Tonex SE and Ableton Live Lite, and you've got a powerful and compact recording rig that's studio-ready straight out of the box in real-world studio and home setups. The AXEIO impresses on both build quality and usability. Reviewers praise its clean DI tone, comparing favorably to high-end units, and the intuitive monitoring blend knob that lets you dial between direct and DAW playback with zero latency. It also includes MIDI and expression pedal I/O as well as reamp outputs, making it a versatile hub for guitarists who need control and expandability. While some note minor shortcomings, like a lack of S/PDIF or occasional warmth from its PSU, the consensus is clear. For guitar-centric recording, tone shaping, and reamping, the AXEIO sets a new benchmark. Music Radar even named it the best overall guitar audio interface in 2025. Number 4. Universal Audio Apollo Twin X. The Universal Audio Apollo Twin X is a pro-grade audio interface that brings studio-level quality out of a sleek desktop unit. Equipped with Unison-enabled mic preamps and top-tier AD/DA converters, it delivers punchy, warm, and detailed recordings beloved by vocalists and guitarists alike. Its twin Thunderbolt 3 ports ensure seamless low-latency performance, making real-time tracking with UAD's acclaimed plugins feel natural and responsive. Despite its compact size, it packs robust I/O options like high-Z guitar input, monitor and line outputs, plus optical ADAT expandability, perfect for building a flexible home studio in actual use. The Apollo Twin X shines thanks to its DSP-powered console app, which emulates a vintage analog workflow. This lets you track through classic-sounding compressors, EQs, and amp models in real time, an approach praised by many content creators for encouraging you to get the sound right at the source. MusicRadar.com. Users praise its sturdy, no-nonsense build quality, yet note minor drawbacks like a convoluted setup on Apple Silicon Macs and the lack of a bundled Thunderbolt cable. Still, the pros, premium sound, real-time DSP, intuitive control, make the Twin X a top-tier investment for any serious creator aiming for professional audio quality. Number 3. Behringer Euphoria UMC22. The Behringer Euphoria UMC22 is a hidden gem for creators seeking quality audio on a tight budget. Powered by a Midas-designed mic preamp and offering both XLR and 1/4-inch instrument inputs, it's perfect for solo musicians, podcasters, and streamers. It's plug-and-play on Mac, and Windows users can rely on ASIO for all to work smoothly with any DAW. AudioScienceReview.com. The solid metal chassis and direct monitor switch deliver low-latency tracking, ideal for recording vocals or guitar live. According to Music Radar, at under $70 this interface delivers insane value for money and performs just as well as other interfaces that cost a lot more for home studios. Despite its affordability, there are compromises. The UMC22 supports only 16-bit/48 kHz audio, limiting dynamic range and resolution for high-end work. Medium.com. Some users report a noticeable noise floor and occasional hiss, particularly when recording quiet sources or using high-impedance headphones. This particular audio interface is fucking shit. It makes so much noise it sounds like your mic is in a tornado. Number 2. Audient ID4 MKI. The Audient ID4 MKI delivers exceptional audio quality that punches well above its compact, desktop-ready form factor. Built with a Class A console mic preamp, echoing the high-end ASP80-2040 console. It grants up to 58 dB of gain with ultra-low noise and 126 dB dynamic range, ensuring crisp, transparent recordings with rich analog warmth. Whether you're vocal tracking with a condenser mic or plugging in an electric guitar via the JFET instrument input, the sound is full-bodied and dynamic. As reviewed by Sweetwater, it sounds great, is easy to use, and you can record a full band if you're recording one track at a time. That user experience and build quality shine too. Its all-metal chassis and smooth, tactile controls, including gain knobs, the ID monitoring knob with scroll control, and dual headphone outputs, feel sturdy and studio-grade. Setup is seamless across Windows, macOS, and even iOS, though some users report occasional firmware quirks with USB-C on certain systems. With bus-powered convenience, zero-latency monitoring, and a thoughtful software bundle, Cubase LE Art plugins, the ID4 MKI offers a compelling all-in-one interface for content creators, podcasters, singer-songwriters, and musicians seeking professional sound without desk clutter. The only limitations? A single combo input and a max sample rate of 96 kHz, still more than sufficient for most home studio needs. Number 1 Focusrite Scarlett 2i2 4th Gen. The Scarlett 2i2 4th Gen represents a significant step forward for home recording enthusiasts and content creators. Its two ultra-low noise mic preamps deliver up to 69 dB of gain, a major improvement over the 3rd Gen's 56 dB, enabling clean recordings even with less sensitive mics. The studio-grade converters with a 120 dB dynamic range ensure pristine audio capture, earning praise from reviewers for its high-fidelity sound straight out of the box. us.focusrite.com. What truly elevates the 2i2's usability are new features like auto gain, which sets optimal recording levels for you, and Clip Safe, which prevents distortion by instantly lowering gain during sudden loud sounds. It's a perfect blend of pro-level audio quality and intuitive workflow. Beyond performance, the design and build of the 4th Gen shine. The compact chassis is built from sturdy aluminum with a fingerprint-resistant matte finish, while the fresh layout separates the instrument, 1/4 inch, and mic, XLR, inputs, making cable management seamless. Circuit-controlled halo LED surround the gain and monitor knobs give clear visual feedback, and an optional USB-C power port ensures compatibility with lower-powered devices like iPads. Soundref.com. Users also appreciate the bundled Hitmaker software suite, which includes DAWs like Ableton Live Lite, plus effects and instruments, making the 2i2 an all-in-one recording starter kit. In summary, the Scarlett 2i2 4th Gen earns a perfect 5
are the new generation of
rating,
music makers.
delivering pro clarity,
You make music wherever you want, and Scarlett is right.
Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all my latest content. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you want even more, check out these videos. Insert gesture toward playlist or video suggestions. I think you'll love them. Stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next one.